wanting you to call anything at all to see your face. If only for a few short rings, I swear that'd be enough for me to know that I'm still on your mind. But I don't wanna think about you now. Don't wanna keep holding on to how we used to be. Every kiss, every touch, everything I miss so much. I'm learning how to live without, so I don't wanna think about you now. I know it's been a while, but baby, you know how I still hope. There's a part of you, like a part of me, that can't let go. But if this really is the end and we're not meant to make amends, maybe it's best if we lay this to rest. So I don't wanna think about you now. Don't wanna keep holding